Ladies and gentlemen, we must never forget that the overall objective of our collaborative efforts, as stimulated by the DDM, is to accelerate and integrate government service delivery to improve its coherence and impact at the district level. At the core of this objective is the investment in infrastructure in the form of the strategic infrastructure investments. Such investment not only improve the overall efficiency and productivity of our economy, but also creates a ripple effect that benefits various sectors and the general population. By developing modern transportation networks, we can facilitate the movement of goods and people, thus reducing logistics costs and enhancing trade opportunities, both domestically and internationally. Moreover, robust energy infrastructure ensures a stable power supply, enabling businesses to operate effectively and innovate without interruptions. It also paves the way for the adoption of sustainable energy sources, contributing to environmental conservation and reducing our carbon footprint. Water resources and water resource management is another critical area where investment in infrastructure is paramount. Access to clean water and sanitation services is a fundamental human right. And by ensuring reliable water supply systems, we can improve public health, drive agricultural productivity, and support industrial growth. Furthermore, the enhancement of communication facilities and digital infrastructure is also essential in today's interconnected world. The expansion of broadband networks can bridge the digital divide, empower our youth with educational opportunities, and also open up new avenues for entrepreneurship and innovation.